conducting unauthorized brain experiments. He lost his license and disappeared. Then we got a tip that he was holed up in Red Rock Canyon, kidnapping unsuspecting teenagers, testing them with drugs, and God knows what else.
This will open up your minds, enable you to understand my teachings better, and unite us against all those who don't believe.
We were ordered to take him out by whatever means necessary. I was in command.
Doctor!
Freeze! Get down on the floor!
Go!
Get out back! Let's go! Move!
He's on!
Hold it!
Could have killed him when we had the chance.
Says here he's supposed to be serving a life sentence at Chatsworth Mental Institute.
No, he escaped about a year ago. Never been found. Until now. Harry, get a SWAT team together. We're gonna take this guy out for good.
Yes, sir.
Sam? Thank you. I'm proud of you, son. You did a good job. Go home and take your medication.
It's not over yet, Pete. This guy is after you. There's no way I'm leaving you alone.